This is Satiris Basakaropoulos, and in today's webinar, I'm going to be showing you how to promote your the new um, top producer formula affiliate program. Okay, so if you've been keeping up with any of my stuff, you'll see that there was a live hangout last night. And in the live hangout, it was really good. There was a lot of information about the the launch and so on, which was really exciting. I was up to 5:30 in the morning actually listening to the stuff. So what I want to do is I want to just take you through some of the resources and take you through some of the ways to actually market this online. Now, I'm sure, as some of you are already aware, that basically Facebook tends to block a lot of the Empower Network links, and even, within 10 minutes of any product launching Empower Network and going all over Facebook, Facebook, instantly block that link. So what you need to do is, with your affiliate link, you need to actually buy a domain and actually mask the domain. So you can do that at GoDaddy.com. So basically, you can go to GoDaddy.com and buy a domain. So I'm just going to, let's see, just go to GoDaddy. Now, obviously, I've already bought a domain here, okay? So I'm not going to take you into the domain buying process because it's very simple, okay? I would pick a domain name, that matches what you're selling, or something similar that will work with what you're selling. So, if it's home-based business, you might want to use like a home-based business type domain, or something to do with internet marketing or network marketing or stuff like that. Okay, now I already have quite a lot of domains, so I'm just going to go to one of the domains that I have, and what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to actually mask the domain. Okay, I'm going to show you how to mask it. So what we're going to do is here, I'm going to show you how to mask the domain. So just go to the domains and launch domains. Like I said, if you have any domains, you just go to GoDaddy.com, buy your domain, and then when you click on domains, it'll come up the domain that you've actually bought. Okay, so I'm going to use one that I have here, this one here. I'll use this one, getonline.org. Okay, so this is the one here I'm going to use. So just click it. You click on the one you want to use, and then you click on Manage. Click on Manage, and then to get the link, all you do is you go into your Empower Network back office, or into the affiliate part. Okay, so you go into the affiliate part, which you'll see in the left hand side on the top when you log into your back office of your blog. Okay, and you grab the URL. So this is your URL. This will be your top producer URL. Okay, and basically copy that, go to your domains, and just click edit. Now, it's very important here at this stage, it's very important to click forward with masking. It's very important to do that. If you don't mask the domain and you put it on too early, and point it in Empower Network, then Facebook will permanently ban your domain from Facebook, okay? So you don't want to forward it without masking. You'll click the button here, it says forward only or forward with masking. Make sure you've clicked forward with masking, okay? And then you just paste your URL like so, okay? And take the HTTP because it's already here. That's it. And then what you'll do is you just stick a few, whatever you want people to see whenever you post on Facebook. So transform your online business with this online live stream training. So that basically means when I post this link on Facebook, people will be able to see this keyword first, okay? So transform your online business. Transform your online business. Okay. Like so. And then just click edit. And then you just basically save that. Now generally it can take anywhere from like half an hour to maybe 2 hours before that link will go to the right place, okay? I've already masked the domain last night. So what will actually happen is whenever you post the domain, I'll show you a domain that I masked last night, okay? So let me just see. Here's one I masked last night. So the domain I used was just marketinghowto.co.uk. Now what will happen is when someone types that, they'll have no idea that they're going to Empower Network. They will think they're going to marketinghowto.co.uk, but that actually will go to my affiliate link. And they will be basically offered to attend the live event for $7, right? So the great thing about it being $7, it's such a low cost. It's going to be easy to sell a $7 product. It might be more difficult with 25 or 100 or thousands of dollar products, but it's very, very easy to get people to buy the product for $7. Now, obviously, when you get your people, your email list and so on and so forth to go and register for the live event, they will also be told about the other products. So they will also, obviously upsell the other products to them as well. Okay. And the great thing about it is, as you can see here, here's the timer. So at the minute, everything's basically half price, but in 9 days, everything here is going to double. So, everything that you see here is going to double. There's a $7 product. There's a $27 product. There's a $297 product. And there's a $497 product. So basically, the $497 will go to nearly $1,000. The $300 will go to $600. The $27 will go to, I don't know, $50 or something, and the $7 will be $14. Okay, so if people don't buy within that period of time, it will go up, and it will go up forever. So basically, they will be passing up the option to be able to actually make the commissions from the products, obviously, if they don't have them or if they don't buy them. Okay, so if they come in and they only join at the $7 level, and then a few people come and register under them, and they buy the $500 product, they're going to lose those commissions. Okay, and they'll pass up to you if you referred them, basically. So that's basically how it works. So like I said, that's a very, very important part, is masking your domain. Okay, so you want to make sure you have a domain masked before you start promoting Facebook or any of the other places. Make sure it's working. Click the domain and you should just see the domain coming up with this page. This is the page. Okay, so once you see this page coming up with your new domain, that's you with your domain mask. That's you sorted. You're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so basically, if you go into your, let's see, go into your, I'm just trying to find it here, to your Empower Network back office. You'll see on the left hand side, here's the affiliate links and resources. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here. But if you want to make a lot of money, you want to do as much of this stuff as you possibly can. You have to look at it as a business. It's not a game or something. It's a serious business. So if you want to get people to buy your stuff, they have to see your stuff. You have to promote it. Okay, so the first thing you want to be promoting till the 8th to the 19th will basically be this. Now here's some social media swipes. Okay, now what I did was I actually sent an email last night to my virtual assistant, and we have about 25 Facebook accounts, so she's going to be posting this like crazy, for the next for the next week or two, and I'm also going to be promoting it like crazy as well. So that's basically the social media swipe. Then there's basically email swipes to send to your list. So you basically send exactly what's here, right? You'll send the swipe that's here. That's the subject line. That's the body. And then what you want to do is you want to just add your name down at the bottom. You want to add your name down at the bottom, and you want to change these links here to your URL. Okay, so change that link to your marketinghow2.co.uk URL if you're posting on the social media. So you'll change this. You don't need to change it on your email, but I generally change it anyway, because I think it looks better, because it's my domain, so it's marketinghow2.co.uk. I think it looks better. It doesn't look like an affiliate link. So I would also recommend, putting your own URL here. But once again, it's up to you. Okay. And it tells you, basically when to send them. Okay. That one goes an hour before. That's basically send that an hour before the webcast is going to go live. There's another social media swipe you can see here as well. And basically this social media swipe is for to promote till the 20th. Okay. And once again, you have the social media swipe, which you can take that, you can promote it on Facebook or wherever you want. So what I would do is I would go here, copy it like that, go to Facebook, and go to Facebook, and basically you can post it like so. Don't use this link because it'll block you instantly. Okay. and post it here, like so. Now what you can also do here, obviously what I would also normally do is I would also put a picture. Okay, so I would add a picture. You'll get the pictures in here as well. So all you do is you'll, where are we? If you scroll on down, you'll see firstly there's different things here. There's banner ads as well here, which you can put in your website. Highly recommend you do this as well. Put the banner ads in your website. I'm going to do mine now this afternoon. Facebook swipes, different Facebook swipes for Facebook as well. Now you can use IFTT to schedule these swipes. Okay, so if you go to www.iftt.com, and if you haven't already registered an account with them, I'm just going to sign in because I'm already registered. Okay. So I'm just going to click create a recipe. If this, then that. Okay, so what I would do generally, my favorite one, and the one that I'm going to be using, if I can find it, let's see, this, then that, Google Calendar, date and time. So I'll use the timer. You can find a virtual assistant. You can get a virtual assistant. The best place to get them is on easyoutsource.com, Ricardo. So www.easyoutsource.com is the best place to go for a virtual assistant. Okay. So what you can do is you could have it every day, every hour, every week, every month. I'm going to do every day because obviously I want to, get my ads out here. So every day I'll click so I can put what time I want it to go out at. So it's 2:50 p.m. here. So say I want one to go out at 5 p.m. Okay, so I'll click create trigger. If this, then that. And then I will click Facebook, right? And then I'll click create a link post. So my message will be exactly what's here. Okay. Copy this like so. And then just put your link address in, www.marketinghowto.co.uk. Okay, and just click create action. And create recipe. Okay. And that's basically your recipe created. So what will happen is that will every day at 5 p.m. that will post on a Facebook account. Okay, so I'm actually going to sign out because that's not the Facebook account that I wanted to be in. But anyway, that's the great thing about having loads of different accounts, loads of places to advertise. Okay, so we're going to create another recipe here. If this, then that. Date and time. Every day at I'm going to put 9 a.m. No, actually, I'm going to put 7 a.m. to get the early birds. Okay. And then once again, I'm going to hit Facebook, or I could hit a Facebook group. So I could say yes, post a link, and then post it. Oh no, this is the account that my thingy's going funny in. So I won't post there. I'll do it again. For some reason that one's going a wee bit crazy on me. So every day at 7 a.m. was said, create trigger, and then I'll just post it on my Facebook wall. Create a link post. Post your link. And I'm just going to change this a wee bit so it's different from the other account. Okay. And then just put in my link. .co.uk. Okay. Create action. And then just create the recipe. Okay. So that's running at 7 a.m. every day, right? I'm going to create another recipe. And this recipe I'm going to put for 3 p.m. If this, then that. Once again, I'm going to post on my Facebook wall, create a link post, and then I'm going to go back here, going to grab Facebook post 2, Command C, boom, www.marketinghowto.co.uk, create action, create recipe. Okay, so another one done, and I'm going to create another recipe. I'm going to do one for 7 a.m. or not 7 a.m., 7 p.m. So I'm going to do this one for 7 p.m. Create trigger, this, then that. Facebook, create a link post. Let's see, where is it? Here it is, number 3. Command C. Boom. There. Link again. Create recipe. Okay. Now I'm going to do one because I think you need more. 3 a day if you're going to be marketing big style. So date and time, every day at 11 p.m. Create a link post. Why the making, and just make something up. The top producers are making all the money. Want to find out how. Want to find out how. Then make sure you get registered for this live event. Okay. And put the link again, your link here. Like so. Get recipe. Okay. That's it. So basically that's your Facebook posts ready to rock and roll. Okay. Now what I did there was I just made a blog post. I would also recommend you make a blog post. Okay, so whenever you make a blog post, you can make it your Empower Network blog, you can make it on another blog you have. I've made a post last night on my Empower Network blog, and I made one on one of my other blogs as well. So I just go down to the bottom here and just click the like button, share it in Google+. Let's see. Share in Google+. Share it in Twitter. The other thing I recommend to do, and if you haven't already done it, it's to join OnlyWire. Now, I actually did a training on this the other week. So if you go to worldinternetschool.com and you click on the Hangouts at the top, you will see there's a training on syndication. And if you watch that Hangout, you'll be able to find out how I set up, how I basically set up the OnlyWire account. Okay, so the training's in there. I'll show you now. I'm actually going to put it in OnlyWire as well. So just give it a quick share on LinkedIn. Don't know why it's not bringing up anything. Doesn't matter, I'll do that one later. Pinterest. Internet marketing tools. Pin that in Pinterest as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this link like so, and I'm just going to go to OnlyWire. So you just go to onlywire.com. Let's see if I can find it. w.onlywire.com. And all you do is you click here to create a new post. You put your link up at the top. And then you can pick a message here. So what I can do is I can use my message, or I can just use the one that they've already made for us. You can use any of these. But I don't want to use that because I'm not sending directly to the link there. I'm sending them to my blog. So I'll just, where is it? Too many windows open. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. That's it there. Okay. I'll just use the title from the top of my blog. Okay. Just use that. That'll do fine. And it's already there, so I don't need to do anything. I'll just add it as the title. Find information on my blog. Okay, and then we'll share that. And now I've syndicated that to go to 20 social networks. I could syndicate it to go to more social networks, but if I post it to like too many groups on Facebook and stuff, I might get my account blocked. So just go now. Let's see. You just messaged me. It's 9 p.m. It's yeah. So you just be 1 second. I'm just going to send somebody the link for this. Just going to send somebody the link. Just be 1 second. Sorry about that. Let's see. Boom. Okay, so that's basically what you do with your OnlyWire. So you go in and obviously you have to set up your social media accounts, okay? So you'll set up different networks in here. And like I said, I've done that in our Hangout at worldinternetschool.com. If you go to Hangouts and Social Syndication Hangout, you'll be able to watch the training how to do that. Here at the minute, I just have it posted to my Facebook profile, to 1 Facebook page, to 14 Facebook groups, to my main Twitter account, to my Google Plus page, and also to Tumblr. And you can add a load more networks, and I'm intending to add a lot more networks to that, but I just haven't got around to doing it yet, okay? So OnlyWire is very, very good for that. So definitely would highly recommend that. So the other thing you want to do now, which we haven't got around to yet, is if you go down here, if you've listened to any of our trainings, I talk about in some of our Hangout trainings, our team trainings, I talked about setting up your own Facebook groups and setting up your own Facebook pages, okay? So if you have created a Facebook page or group, what I recommend you do is you click here on Facebook cover images, like so. And if you drag that image just onto your desktop, like so, okay, just drag it onto your desktop. And then once you have it on your desktop, you can go to your Facebook groups. So this is one of my Facebook groups that I started a couple of years ago. And you can see here, all I did was I clicked change group photo and basically uploaded this photo from my desktop. Okay. Now, if anyone, I also then put a headline or something in here in the edit about section and the link which goes to the live stream. Okay, so here's my link here. So if anyone clicks that, they will go to the $7 live stream. Yeah, if they click on the top banner, they will see what I've done is I clicked and just wrote, watch the dirty lie exposed. Actually, I put exposed live because that's what it says in the title. And then just edited that. Okay, so it means when people come and click on the banner and then click there, they're going to also go to my page. Okay, so I would recommend you also do that with your groups and stuff. Here's some other images you can use as well in your posts. So, you could go and you could post one of these messages that I was posting earlier, the ones I was showing you, and then just put one of these banners in the post. Okay, so just stick one of these banners in, and each time you can do different banners, different banner and a link, different banner and a link. So people are it's going to be hard to miss those, right? And let's see what else. There's also some other Facebook wall images here too you can use, right? So it's the same again, just basically drag them onto your desktop or into a folder, and then just go to Facebook and just click upload picture and put some writing on top of it. Okay, so so for example, like this, drag that on my desktop, give it a name so you know what it's called. So it's called fbwalls5.jpg. Make sure you know the name of it. Okay, and then you can go to one of your pages or groups. I'll go to this one. Okay, and then put some writing in. So what I'm going to do, once again, everything's all done for you, so it's pretty easy. You just need to do the work. Grab one of your Facebook swipe copies and just copy, like so, paste, put your link, like so, and then post your photo, upload photo, fbwall5, let's call that it, open, like so, and then post that. Okay, and if you want, instead of you going and having to post that multiple times, what you can actually do is you can just go down to the bottom of it and just click share, and then you can share on other pages that you manage. Okay, so I could go down and I could share it on one of my other pages. So just pick some pages that I want to share it on. What are pages? Say, can't find the one I'm looking for. It's almost away. Let's see. Should be here somewhere. Da, 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 da. Close. Don't know where it is. I'll just share it here. It's fine. And just click share. And then if we go to that page, you'll see that the post is also there. Okay. And once again, you'll see if I click the link, it works. Okay. It's not blocked by Facebook. And that's because I masked it. That's why it's so important to mask your link before you put it on Facebook. Okay. So, that's it. I mean, the other thing I would say is be on the Hangouts. There's Hangouts every night. Dave Wood sending information about the Hangouts every night. Be in the Hangouts and listen to what they're actually saying. Do the steps that they're telling you to do, because the reason they're telling you to do them is because they do actually work. Okay, so follow what it says. It's given really good. It's telling you exactly what to do, telling you what dates to promote, what emails to send, and we're basically showing you where to post them, right? So you want to, you want to join. You want to do exactly what it says there, and that way you'll get people to join. At the end of the day, it's $7. The base product is $7. So it's not difficult to make a $7 sale. It really, really isn't if you're promoting properly. But you need to promote your stuff all over the place. You need to send a lot of traffic to it. It's not just a matter of like doing one post on your blog or one post on Facebook. Do a lot of stuff. You can also do videos, do YouTube videos, talking about it. Don't use the keyword Empower Network, because a lot of people are targeting, flagging videos with Empower Network or MLM or stuff like that. But, you can say, here's a way, here's how, secrets of the top producers to make more money and create more income, or something like that. You can call the video something that people are going to be curious and actually want to, watch the video. Okay, so think about the headline of the video as well. Would you, would you click on the video if you saw the name? Would you click on it? Would you be interested? And if you are, it's likely a lot of other people would be interested as well. Okay, so I mean, I think that more or less covers, the tools that we've got inside there to use, So once again, just use the IFTTT to promote your stuff. Use OnlyWire to promote your stuff. You know, and just promote the heck out of it. Put it as many places as you possibly can. You can go to classified ad sites. You can post it as well. You can go to Gumtree.com. You can go there's so many different sites. You can go to freeusads.com. There's so many different places that you can promote this. So spend your time promoting it, and that way you'll be able to get yourself some money. Get some sales and start having people under you passing you up sales as well, which is when it gets really cool. And the other thing, as far as outsourcers concerned, you can pay your outsourcer. I mean, my outsourcer, I'm paying at the minute about $70 a week, and that's to work, 5 hours a day, right? So, it's very, very cheap. $280 a month, right? They can be working full time, promoting your stuff. they can be basically promoting your stuff every day, which is pretty cool. So I would highly advise you do that when you can afford to. I mean, at the end of the day, even if you're in a job now and you haven't left your business, what you can do is you can go to your job and you can make $10 an hour and you can pay someone $2 an hour to promote your business while you're at your job, you know, which is pretty cool. So you can be having somebody making money for you while you're at work or wherever else you are. Okay, so I hope you found some of this stuff useful. I'm going to be doing more trainings like this in the future. I'm going to be doing, a lot more webinars. So you're on this webinar list because you've registered. So whenever we're doing another training, I will send an email out to you um, about that. Okay, and don't forget as well on Wednesday, our hangout from this week it isn't actually, we had a bit of a glitch, so it's actually not up. It was last night, but you can watch all the other hangouts. You can watch all the other hangouts in the hangout section on worldinternetschool.com with all the other trainings. And we will be on our live hangout again as well next Wednesday night at 9 p.m. GMT again. Okay, that's London time. So if you're in the US, you might be 5 or 6 hours behind that. Um, so I will see you again there and talk to you soon. Thanks very much.